Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML in a Gmail email. This is incredibly useful if you want to send beautifully formatted, custom-designed emails directly from Gmail without needing a separate email marketing tool. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to install a Chrome extension that makes this possible. Open your web browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.google.com web store into your address bar. Once you're there, use the search bar to find the extension called Insert and Send HTML with Gmail by DesignModo. This extension adds the functionality you need to insert custom HTML directly into your Gmail Compose window. When you see the extension in the search results, click on it to open the details page. You'll notice an Add to Chrome button in the top right corner. Click that button, and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to proceed. Click Add Extension to complete the installation. The extension will integrate seamlessly with your Gmail interface, giving you access to HTML embedding capabilities. Now that the extension is installed, navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into your browser and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, click the Compose button to start drafting a new email. This opens the familiar email composition window where you'll see the standard formatting toolbar. Here's where things get interesting. Look at the toolbar in your Compose window and you'll notice a new button that wasn't there before, the Insert HTML button added by the DesignModo extension. Click on this button to open a pop-up box. This is where you'll paste your custom HTML code. Simply copy your HTML from wherever you've prepared it and paste it directly into the text area provided in the pop-up. Once your HTML code is pasted, click Insert to embed it into the email body. The extension will render your HTML code, transforming it from raw code into the formatted design you intended. Take a moment to review how it looks in the Compose window. This preview ensures everything appears correctly before you send it out. From here, it's just like sending any other email. Enter your recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line that captures attention, and include any additional plain text if needed. When you're satisfied with everything, click Send to deliver your HTML-designed email. Thanks for watching.